everyone. Thanks for joining this session. And in continuation of Chief AI Officer program, today I will be covering understanding of tools and application for CIO. In this, I will be covering artificial intelligence development framework and uh, libraries which are required for AI officer to understand. A chief officer, AI officer, uh, needs a comprehensive understanding of the tools and application that enables AI technology to function effectively within an organization. The role requires not just strategic oversight, but also deep knowledge of the tools that can make AI initiatives successful. As part of this AI development framework and libraries and tools here, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, and Scikit-learn. And the CIO needs the understanding which tool are best suited for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. They may not directly develop the models, but must understand which libraries and framework will need the organization specific needs. Then the data infrastructure and analytics X platforms. Here the tools are typically Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, Google BigQuery, and AWS data lakes. CIO should have a solid understanding of data storage, processing, and analytics platform is essential as data is the backbone of AI models. The CIO also ensure the infrastructure can handle the scale and the complexity of data needed to train AI models effectively. Then comes cloud AI platform. Here the tools typically are Google Cloud AI, AWS AI services, Microsoft Azure AI, then Oracle AI services, which are part of OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. The CIO should know how to leverage cloud platform that provide AI tools and services such as managed machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, and image recognition APIs, allowing for efficient model deployment and scaling. Then comes AI and automation tools, UI path automation, anywhere IBM Watson, and as automation becomes a key part of AI adoption, and the CIO should understand tools that help automate business process through AI, such as robotic process automation (RPA) and AI-driven workflow management. Then comes as part of machine learning, operations. Tools, machine learning, ML flow, then Kuber, Kuberflow, then TensorFlow extended, and the CIO should be familiar with tools for managing life cycle of machine learning models from development to deployment and continuous monitoring. And machine learning operations ensure that AI systems are scalable, maintainable, and continuously improving. Then comes natural language processing (NLP) and computer vision, and the tools here require are GPT, BERT, OpenCV, then TensorFlow. If the organization is looking to implement AI in customer service, example chatbots or image processing, example product categorization, and the CIO needs to understand how NLP and computer vision application work. As part of AI ethics and bias decision tools, um, IBM AI Frame Fairness 360, then Google What If tools. AI model needs to developed with ethical consideration in mind, and the CIO must be aware of tools that help mitigate bias and ensure fairness and promote transparency in AI system. Then comes business intelligence and decision support tools. As part of tools are Power BI, Tableau, QuickLick. These tools allow business leaders to gain insight from AI driven data analytics. The CIO should have an understanding of how AI can enhance these platforms to deliver actionable insight for decision making. Then comes we will be discussing on why CIO role is required and critical in an organization. So we'll be going in detail about the requirement and the importance. And as part of this, firstly, I will be discussing on the strategic AI leadership. As part of strategic AI leadership, um, the typical requirement is that AI is no longer a niche technology. It's central to modern business strategy. A CIO provides strategic leadership, ensuring that AI initiative aligned with the company's as long-term goal and objective. Importance here of a strategic AI leadership is a dedicated executive with a clear vision can steer all projects toward tangible results, prevent AI investment from becoming fragmented, and position AI as driven as driver of innovation and competitive advantage. Then ensuring AI integration across departments. Typically, here requirement is AI impact various part of the business, marketing, sales, supply chain, HR, and more. The CIO ensure AI integration across department by collaborating with the other C-level executives and ensuring that AI initiatives are aligned with such department goals. And why this is important is without the central AI leader, AI projects could become siloed, and their potential to improve efficiency or drive innovation could be diminished. The CIO act as a glue ensuring that AI is applied and holistically across the organization. Then comes managing complexity and scalability of AI solution. Typical requirement over here is AI technology are complex and uh, require specialized knowledge to deploy and scale effectively. The CIO role involves overseeing end-to-end life cycle of AI from data collection to model deployment and continuous organization. Important of managing complexity and scalability of AI solution is required as AI project grows in scale. The CIO ensures that they are not only successfully implemented but also scalable, sustainable, and adaptable to future technology advances. Then comes ethical AI governance and risk management. Here, the requirement is the ethical implication of AI includes bias, privacy concerns, and transparency, but and must be managed proactively. The CIO is responsible for ensuring ethical AI and establishing a proper governance framework. Importance over here is unchecked AI can have serious concerns, legal, ethical, and financial, if it produces biased outcome or violates privacy laws. CIO safeguards the companies from these risk by implementing a governance policy and guidance to ensure AI is used responsibly. Then, fifth one, driving innovation and competitive advantage. Requirement here is AI is key differentiator in modern and business world. The CIO identifies innovative AI opportunity, whether in new products, services, or business models. Here, important of this, the CIO helps the company stay ahead of competitor by recognizing the potential of AI to disturb the industry and open up new revenue stream, whether through automation, personalization, or advanced data analytics. Then comes AI talent and skill development. A critical part of AI success is having a right talent. The CIO is responsible for building AI talent, AI team, ensuring the company has a right mix of data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI expert. Why this is important is AI project can only succeed if organization has access to the right skill. The CIO ensures the talent pipeline is strong either through hiring, training, or upskilling. Maximizing return of investment on AI investments. AI projects require significant investment, and CIO is responsible for ensuring these investment lead to a high return on investment. They measure AI performance and its impact on business outcomes. Important here is without CIO, it's easy for AI project to get bogged down or become inefficient. The CIO ensures that AI initiatives are prioritized effectively and continuously optimized to deliver value. Then comes adaptation or to evolving technology. So AI technologies evolve rapidly, and CIO must keep the organization adaptable to changes, including new algorithms, platforms, and tools. Here, why this is important is the CIO ensures that organization is not left behind, constantly accessing the new AI opportunities and adapting AI strategy to meet evolving market and technologies. In summary, CIO is crucial because they provide the leadership, vision, and expertise needed to implement AI strategy that drive business growth and innovation. With a deep understanding of AI tools and application, the CIO is essential for navigating the complexity of AI integration and governance while ensuring the AI initiative deliver a real value across the organization. Their role is particularly critical in ensuring that AI is used ethically, responsibly, and effectively across the entire organization, making it a strategic asset. Then we will be discussing on what is a Gartner point of view on CIO. What is Gartner point of view on CIO? Uh, Gartner's view and why it's important. As a strategic leadership for AI, Um, as part of strategic leaders of AI, Gartner's view is Gartner sees that CIO is as a strategic leader who ensure AI is integrated effectively across the business. This includes aligning AI strategies with broader business goals and ensuring that AI initiatives deliver measurable value to the organization. Why it's important? The CIO is essential for organization to stay competitive in an increasing AI-driven landscape. Uh, Without a central AI leader, AI initiative can become fragmented, underfunded, or disconnected from core business objective. Then AI governance and ethic. Gartner's point of view, AI ethics and governance are major concern, and as organization implement AI, Gartner stresses the importance of ethical AI practices, including addressing bias, privacy, transparency, and accountability. The CIO is seen as the key figure in managing these risks and ensuring that AI models are developed and deployed responsibly. Why it's important, AI governance and ethics. Ethical and governance framework are critical for maintaining trust and compliance, especially with increasing regulatory scrutiny around the AI. Example GDPR, AI regulation, CIO are expected to champion ethical guidelines and ensure AI is used transparently. Then comes AI driven innovation. Gartner view. Gartner emphasizes that CIO should be at forefront of driving innovation within the organization through AI. The role of pivotal in identifying new business model, product or services that can and powered by AI technologies. Why it's important to over here is AI is enable organization to innovate faster and more effectively, whether through automation, data insight, or enhanced customer experience. Gartner stresses that without dedicated AI leader, compliance may not be fair here to fully capitalize on their adoptions. Organization AI readiness and talent management. Then comes AI integration across functions and focus on AI return of investment and then uh, collaboration with other C-suite executive. Why Gartner believes CIO role is critical. AI is increasing strategically importance. Yeah, as AI continues to evolve, it becomes integral to business operations. The CIO ensures that AI is treated as the core element of organization strategy rather than siloed initiative. Managing complexity and change. AI projects often span multiple departments, require a larger amount of data, and depends on the specialized expertise. The CIO's leadership helps guide these complexity initiative to ensure alignment and effective execution. Driving business transformation, AI has power to transform either business model. The CIO role is essential in spotting AI-driven opportunity that disrupt traditional models, from automation to productive analytics to personalized, customized experiences. Risk mitigation, and given the potential risk associated with AI, such as bias, fairness, and privacy concern, the CIO ensures that AI initiatives are ethical, sound, and comply with relevant. So, in summarizing this, Gartner sees the chief AI officer as the strategic leader, ethical steward, and change agent with the organization. Their role is becoming increasingly critical as AI technology continues to evolve and become central to business success. Gartner emphasizes that organizations with CIO are more likely to successfully implement AI as scale, innovate through AI, and manage their ethical governance risk associated within these technologies. So that's what I thought of discussing in this session. Thank you. Thanks for joining.